Hey guys, what is up? So today we're gonna be doing this amazing honey mayo shrimp, okay? And we're gonna add some broccoli to it if we have some. And this is gonna be a very easy deep fried shrimp recipe that is #1 delicious and easy to make. So let's start our day. Alright guys, so first off we're gonna make our candy walnuts. So go ahead and melt half a tablespoon of butter on a pan at medium heat. And once it's done melting, let's add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can either use dark or light, it's up to you. Go ahead and mix it around in the butter. And once it looks like this, right here, you're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of water, and this will make it more of a watery so we could candy our walnuts. So once it's like that, add in a 1/4 cup of walnuts. You can add more if you want, or less if you don't, or not even add any. Alright, so once it looks like this, nice and golden, just go ahead and put it in a small bowl, and we're gonna start our shrimp sauce after this. Alright, so go ahead and get another small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayo. If you don't have that, go ahead and use regular mayo. But I like this mayo in an Asian dish because it has the creaminess and flavor just like at the restaurant. Next off, add half a tablespoon of honey right into the sauce. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of condensed or evaporated milk. Just go ahead and mix it in. Make sure it looks like this. And next, just give it a nice taste. Make sure it's not too sweet. And add a squeeze of lemon for some acid. And just go ahead and stir it up. Alright, after you're done with this, we're going to go ahead and batter our shrimp. Alright, so get yourself a plate and a small bowl again. And go ahead and crack 1 egg. Beat it up and make sure it is well combined with the egg white. And we're gonna also get some cornstarch after this. So go ahead and batter 7 large shrimps in the egg first. Just go ahead and dip in the egg and then put it in your what's it called, plate. And then we're gonna coat it with some cornstarch after. Alright, after you're done with the egg, go ahead and get yourself a bowl of cornstarch and go ahead and do it in the cornstarch now. Just like so. Make sure it is well patted in. Alright, after you have been done coating your shrimps, we're gonna go ahead and start the deep frying process. So get a small bowl, not a small bowl, a small pot, and fill it up halfway with oil. Once it bubbles on a chopstick, then we're gonna coat it again in the egg, and we're gonna go ahead and flash fry this. So go ahead and fry this for around up to a minute, and once it's a nice light to golden brown look, we're gonna remove it, let it cool down, add in the next batch, and then we're gonna refry it so it is nice and crispy at the end. So as you can see, we are getting to the point where we want to remove it and let it cool off. So go ahead and put it on a wired rack and have a paper towel underneath to prevent getting your table dirty. Alright, once our batch is done, go ahead and load in the next batch while it cools. And once it is light golden brown to golden brown, just go ahead and remove it, and we're gonna flash fry the other one once again. So just remove this batch and clear any debris on the top to prevent it from burning. So just add it in at the highest heat possible and let this flash fry for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna let it cool down again and load in the next batch again. Alright, we are on the last batch, and we're gonna start plating it soon. So get yourself your candy walnuts again, and just go ahead and lay a nice cool design on the plate. So I'm just doing a nice simple design, and we're just gonna dip each individual shrimp in the sauce and plate it out. If you are scared of germs, go ahead and use a pair of chopsticks. Alright, once we are done laying our shrimps down, you can go ahead and garnish with some sesame seeds or scallions and clean up the plate and make it have a nice restaurant look because you want restaurant quality, right? So go ahead and season it a little bit with some sesame seeds and look at our final product. This is so gorgeous. So now let's taste test. Alright guys, here we are with our honey mayo shrimp. Look at how crunchy and restaurant style these look, okay? So with a fraction of the price that you would pay at a Chinese restaurant, you get more shrimps and the oil's fresh so you won't get a stomach ache. And look how mouth-watering this looks, and our walnuts. Now you could go ahead and add some broccoli or anything else you really prefer. Add orange slices to the dish, anything you want. But here we go. The Japanese mayo definitely makes this. I think restaurants actually use this. Tastes 90% like if you were gonna get this at a restaurant. All right. Taste the honey in this. It's truly amazing. Look how saucy this looks. Amazing. Okay. You can truly add some rice to this. Really. But this is like an appetizer. I'm not that hungry. I'm just eating it because I ate dinner before this, but this is like a little snack, you know? Well, that is it, guys. Please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.